Hey guys, what's up? I'm back with another Catfish tutorial. It's an updated version and I'm gonna have the help of Klaiyi hair giving me a whole new look. So let's go ahead and get started. And just like my last video, I'll be doing my makeup also. So I'm going in with this unit. I'm gonna go straight to plucking it. You guys have no idea how much hair came out whenever I did this. I plucked a lot and I think that's supposed to happen. I definitely think before I wasn't plucking enough hair out, and then I actually started plucking without moving hair to the front, which messed me up a lot. So I would always have bald spots before. So what I do now is I just take some hair, pull it to the front, and then start plucking from behind. And I don't pluck in the same spot, I just pluck in different places, and then it kind of gives a more natural look. And there's less chances for bald spots. So that's what I do. My hand got super tired afterwards, so just make sure that you just have time, maybe watch Netflix or something and just kind of pass the time by while you're doing this because it does take a while. After I did that, I also bleached the knots too off camera, and that's how I got this bleached look or this natural looking lace. And then I just kind of pushed the hair behind the wig cap. And now it's time to melt the lace to your head. I'm gonna have a separate tutorial on this for a different video, but I just get my Got2b glued hairspray and I just kind of spray underneath the lace. Now when you spray on top of it, it can leave a white residue, so just make sure that you do it beforehand just to get most of the wig laid on. And I just kind of press it down for a few minutes, and then I get the blow dry out and press it down with my rat tail comb. Now also, during this step, make sure that you kind of pull your hair back with clips, because the hair was getting stuck to my forehead the entire time because there are bits of the glue kind of stuck in different places. So you want to make sure that you have your hair back, or at least pulled back with clips. Next, I'm going in and I'm just going to lay the baby hair. And wherever you have white residue, just make sure that you put some water on it and just kind of, lay it out with a toothbrush, and it pretty much goes away. And this is just a step where I put some of my edge control gel and I just start laying them down. Now the styling portion for this is super easy. I'm just taking my DIY hair milk that I made just from some leave-in conditioner and water, and also a little bit of hair oil. I'm just kind of spraying it throughout the curly hair, and everything is a lot more manageable and just lays down really nicely. So I think that's pretty much it. And now here are some quick clips of me putting on my makeup. This is just like an updated routine that I've been doing. And I also used a new product from Sugar Pill at the very end, so be sure to stay tuned and check that out. please. Got this wig from Klaiyi Hair and they sent me this bomb unit. I'm gonna go ahead and actually make sure that I fluff it out because I think it looks really cute when it's behind the ear, fluffed out and stuff. And I just love how like usually whenever I sew the elastic band in my hair, I kind of sew it on this part that's supposed to be glued, you know, to the sideburn right here, but this time I did it the right way, so it actually looks really good. And I wanted to kind of just show you guys how I just like melt the lace onto my head. I bleached the knots previously, and after I did that, I just went ahead and melted the lace to my head. And after using the Got to Be Glued spray, it worked really well. Honestly, to style it, I just made my own concoction for my hair milk. This is not the Jane Carter solution. I just went ahead and I put like some leave-in conditioning solution in here with alkaline water, and I put a little bit of a hair oil mixture to top that off with. And then it just makes the curly hair super manageable. Really, really soft. Yeah, let's go ahead and get into the specs of this unit. So it did come with an elastic band. It also came with wig caps. I haven't even sewed the elastic band in here because it actually fits my head completely. Like, it fits it really well. I'm a cap size small. It just reminds me of even like the hair BB days when I didn't have to do anything, but I actually did it myself for this unit and it just came out looking so good. Usually I also put a hair mousse at the top to make sure everything kind of like lays smooth, like just lays down. So this is a 22-inch water wave lace frontal unit. This is how long the hair is looking. It's also 150% for the density. 22-inch, and it's got a 13x6 closure, which is really good, so it goes back 6 inches. And the price of this wig is going to be $206.95. Like, that's really, really good for all this hair, and having it be like this seamless. It's just really cute. And of course you can customize it yourself if you want to, like I did. The hair is really, really soft. I'm experiencing a little bit of shedding, but that's because I went in and I plucked the hair, so there's probably still some strands in there that needs to be like taken out. Tapered the hair all around, which is nice, so it kind of gives a more natural look. And yeah, so that's it for the video, guys. I will talk to y'all later, and make sure to go ahead and check Klaiyi Hair down below. Link to this wig will also be down below, and I will talk to y'all later. Bye.